Hey guys, look what my favorite new thing to use to fill in my brows is. CoverGirl makes this. It's a brow pencil and it retails for about $7. This color is soft brown, and I always recommend, if anything, going a shade lighter than your actual eyebrow, because it looks less harsh. And the idea is to make your eyebrows look as natural and full and to frame your eyes and your face. And right now we're only seeing eyes. And so that's all we have. And because of that, I tend to do 3 things every single day. And those 3 things, I use a little bit of concealer, I use my blending brush to blend it out, and then mascara. I love EYEBROW mascara because it actually stays in place all day and doesn't flake on my cheeks. And then lastly, this is my CoverGirl newest, latest hack. I used to use 3 steps to fill in my brow, so I started skipping it since wearing the mask because it was just like one more thing. But this is super easy to travel with, and I do it. I'm not gonna tell you where I do it because then you're gonna judge me, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, on one end, you have your mascara wand. So convenient, so easy. You wanna brush up your brows, especially in the arch, and then just kind of pull down to frame your eye. So do that on both sides. And then hopefully you have either the exact same color or 1 shade lighter. This is nice. It just twists up. Ooh, ooh. Easy peasy. So twist up. Start by defining just this arch. And at the top, flip and pull down a little bit, and then take it a touch further, just barely, and then go like this, kind of blend it so it'll make your eyebrow appear longer. Now I've already filled in my brows. I recorded this one time and then it was bad, so here I am one more time, and then I start my day. So here we go, and then underneath and pull it up. You guys, I just want you to know I do not get paid for doing these videos. I get 0 kickbacks, so I'm only bringing to you things that I truly love, enjoy, appreciate, and just trying to put some goodness out there. So same thing on this side. And if you comment below, I am giving out a freebie, because generally what I do when I find something I love, there's inevitably a friend who also appreciates like the same thing. So if it doesn't break the bank, I always get 2 of them, so I can give one to a friend. This time I ordered 3, so I could give one to you. So comment below for your chance to win, and I will see you next week. If you like this, click like. If you like what I'm bringing to the table, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week. Thanks.